using brown to get rid of excess hair, but I don't like this method because it's extremely difficult. So, using a shaver blade is the easiest method I have ever used. You can use a shaver like this. It's designed specially for down there. Or shave down there by using a shaving blade like Gillette Girls. It's always available in pharmacies. I will use the rose water to calm my skin. I hope you guys like my video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.